Now we have a column called country. By definition, that country is just country names, right? So if you actually drag country to the design, it will give you a map visual. This is a map right there. Pretty nice, right? All the countries you can drag and drop, you can drag around and see different countries. Let's see where the Taiwan is, right there, right? So we see that right there. Okay, good. So you can drag around and see it, right? So if it is just a map, it's not helpful, you know? But what the power of this one provides is that since you have country selected in there, can you actually look at the profit by country? Okay, that's pretty powerful, right? So we do have profit right there. If we drag a profit into the map, look at that. We have those places, Canada, well, lots of profit right there, right? So this one is France. This one is Germany. Well, you can make it bigger, actually. If you like, you can make it bigger. It reshapes itself and has country names well here and there, right? So you can use your mouse scroll wheel. This is scroll wheel. You can scroll it up and down to zoom it in or zoom it out. Your preference right there. Okay, so this is Canada. And U.S. is profit is like that. And then Mexico. Okay, sounds good. Now the next try, that is not in the tutorial, but I want you to see if that works. Well, I can show profit by country. Can I also show sales by country? You know, we do have sales column right there. Can I drag it to the map and see what happens? Yeah, why not? Drag it, put it there. Nothing seems to change too much until you mouse over a circle. Before, we only saw profit. Now we also see sales. Do you see that? Okay. And of course that you can keep on dragging. Now, that's a spend time to look at what goes inside this fields window under visuals. We drag the country to map, so that's a country goes into location. And then, then we drag the profit to map, and then profit is used to determine the size. So you can easily tell that maybe this is Germany, is a smaller size circle compared to France. So we have bigger profit in France, right? So that's very easy to see. Okay, and then sales, we drag sales to the tooltip. Now here's the question: can you swap these two? Can you actually use the cells to determine the size of the circle, and then use a profit to show profit in the tooltip? Yeah, why not? So wait a minute. Where's my mouse cursor? Right here. Okay. Tooltip. I'm gonna put size cells right there. So those circles now represent the cells, right? So you can add more. Let's say that you cared about cost of goods sold, and you want to add it to the tooltip as well. So mouse over, you also see COGS, cost of goods sold, right? So you see sales, you see profit, you see cost of goods sold.